What if I told you the AI video you're experiencing right now costs absolutely nothing to make? Imagine bypassing expensive barriers. AI video generation can be free, powerful, and world-changing for small creators. Consider this. A YouTube channel just 15 days old posted 4 shorts and exploded to 11 million views and over 65,000 subscribers. That's viral success, no budget required. Today, I'm sharing my complete workflow, the repeatable system called the Video Generation Engine, so you can recreate this viral momentum using truly free AI tools. No watermarks, unlimited output, quality that rivals Sora 2 and Video 3.1. Step 1 is the brain, scripting and viral ideas. Start by building an irresistible story. Paste the master prompt into Claude AI on the free plan and watch it generate 5 viral concepts. Choose one, and Claude crafts a full 2 to 3 minute script. Whether you're making kids content, horror stories, or documentaries, this handles the magical storytelling patterns that grab attention and drive engagement. Step 2. Consistent characters, using the storyboard technique. Consistency is the ultimate Sora killer feature. Keep your characters identical across every scene with Google Nano Banana 2, free via Gemini. Generate a 9-panel storyboard. Thanks to self-attention, the model analyzes every detail, ensuring your world stays visually cohesive and immersive. Step 3. The animation engine. Bring static images to life with Meta AI's Movie Gen, unlimited, fast animation in 30 seconds per clip, no daily limits. If your scene involves complex action, like a backflip, switch to Google Flow for VEO 3.1. It handles coherent action beautifully, all in one shot. Next, the watermark hack. Free tools leave watermarks, even Meta AI. Here's the secret. Right-click the video in your browser and choose Inspect. Locate the video URL, open it in a new tab, and download the watermark free version. Step 5. Human-grade audio. AI audio can sound robotic, so head to 11 Labs and select the Ron Knock voice. To perfect it, bring the recording into Audacity. Apply treble boost, bass boost, compressor, and limiter. Instantly, you've got a professional, documentary-style narration. Last, assemble and optimize. Drag your clips and audio into CapCut or Filmora, both free editors. Sync everything precisely to the narration. Then, use Claude AI's viral meta engine prompt for titles, descriptions, and a detailed upload checklist to maximize reach. Now you hold a full-stack AI production system, your own characters, worlds, animation, and pro-quality narration. 0 skills and 0 cost required. If this guide helped you unlock new possibilities, show your support. And if YouTube automation excites you, stay tuned for our next deep dive. Your viral journey starts now.